Turning a construction site into a clean, safe, and usable space is no small task. In fact, the real work often begins after the builders leave. Once construction wraps up, what's left behind can be overwhelming. Layers of dust, paint splatters on glass, leftover screws or wiring on the floor, and debris in every corner. This isn't a job for ordinary janitorial services. It calls for professional after-construction cleaning, a specialised process that prepares your site for real use. Let's explore what after-construction cleaning really involves, why it's critical, and how to choose the right professionals to handle it. After-construction cleaning is a multi-phase service that goes far beyond standard cleaning. It focuses on the safe removal of construction residue, from drywall dust and grout smears to adhesives, stickers, and leftover packaging. It's an intensive top-to-bottom effort that targets high surfaces, floors, corners, fixtures, and even structural details like trims and thresholds. Here's what a typical post-construction clean includes: cleaning walls and ceilings, removing dust and debris from all floors, cleaning paint splatters and adhesive residue from glass and surfaces, clearing scattered materials and unfinished fixtures, polishing cabinets, light fittings, and shelving, scrubbing scuff marks, stickers and labels, sweeping, mopping and dusting all corners and edges, identifying and removing sharp objects or loose wires, safely disposing of all remaining construction waste. But why is this so important? First, safety. Construction zones can be dangerous after the work is done. Sharp metal fragments, loose nails, and unstable materials can pose serious risks. Only trained professionals can remove these safely and thoroughly. Second, compliance. Construction cleaning companies are well versed in the standards and regulations that govern site handovers. Their expertise ensures your site meets legal and safety expectations, helping you avoid delays and liability. Third, speed. Time is money on a construction project. Professional cleaners work with tight timelines in mind, using efficient processes and commercial-grade equipment to turn around sites quickly, so you can move forward with inspections, fit-outs, or occupancy. Fourth, workflow continuity. Cleaning isn't just about looks. A clean site allows tradespeople, vendors, or tenants to begin work immediately without disruption. Professionals also offer flexible scheduling, cleaning during downtime or after hours, to minimise delays and reduce costs. So how do you choose the right team for the job? Start by defining your needs. What kind of renovation or build was completed? How large is the space? Are there specific materials or surfaces that require care? Knowing your scope will help you find the right fit. Next, research online. Check local business directories, look at reviews, and build a short list of reliable providers. Always get quotes from at least 3 companies. And compare not just the price, but also the value. Are they offering comprehensive cleaning? Do they bring in specialist tools? Is waste disposal included? Once you've narrowed it down, ask the right questions. Can they provide references for similar work? What products and methods do they use? Do they offer eco-friendly or robotic cleaning options? How do they ensure quality control under pressure? What happens if the job isn't finished on time? The answers to these questions will give you insight into their professionalism and their capacity to deliver results, not just promises. And finally, take action. Don't wait for dust to settle or problems to arise. A spotless, clutter-free site signals that the project is complete, safe, and ready for the next phase. Whether that's moving in, staging, or business operations. If you want to make that transformation seamless, trust experienced after-construction cleaning professionals with a proven track record.